Common issues like error codes on the display necessitate resetting your Navien Tankless water heater. Inconsistent hot water temperature or mix is another common problem. Complete lack of hot water can occur. Power surges or outages may cause the system to malfunction. Resetting is a simple first troubleshooting step before contacting a professional. The power switch or reset button on Navien tankless water heaters is typically located near the bottom of the unit. On wall-mounted models, look for the power switch at the bottom of the unit, often on the front or side panel. Some models feature a dedicated reset button on the control panel, clearly marked for easy access. For units with internal components visible, the external power switch remains accessible near the bottom. Control panels may include power and reset buttons among other controls for operating the heater. Locations can vary slightly between Navien models, so always check your unit's manual for the exact position. First, locate the power switch on your Navien unit and turn it to the off position. Next, wait for 10 to 15 seconds. This waiting period is crucial as it allows the unit to fully discharge its internal systems. Now, turn the power switch back to the on position to restart the unit. Observe the unit as it restarts. Look for normal operation indicators. This soft reset often resolves minor issues. If problems continue, note any error codes for further troubleshooting. If your Navien unit has a dedicated reset button, press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. Look for a light indicator or display change to confirm the reset. Some models feature this reset button, while others require the power switch method. If the error code reappears after resetting, this indicates a more serious problem that requires professional diagnosis. Common Navien error codes include gas supply issues, ignition failures, and overheating problems. Attempting to fix complex issues without proper training is dangerous and can cause further damage or safety hazards. Checking the condensate drain is an important troubleshooting step. A clogged drain can cause your tankless water heater to shut down, so visual inspection is key. The condensate drain line is typically PVC pipe connected to your unit, draining to acceptable locations like a laundry tub, basin, or bathtub above the overflow point. Visually inspect the drain for blockages. Look for murky liquid or debris in the pipes that could indicate a clog. The drain is usually located near the bottom of the unit, connected with elbows and fittings. Check for visible obstructions. To clear visible obstructions, gently remove debris. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Regular checks help prevent shutdowns. If blockages persist, consult a professional. If the reset doesn't fix the problem, or if you're uncomfortable with any part of the process, contact a qualified plumbing or HVAC technician. Working with gas and electrical components without proper training can be extremely dangerous. Remember that DIY repairs can void your warranty. Safety first when working with your Navien tankless water heater. Always turn off the power to the unit before performing any troubleshooting steps. This video provides general information and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. We are not responsible for any damage or injury resulting from attempting these procedures.